Hey guys, this is B Programmer here with my first video, and in today's video we're going to be creating a little Apple game. So title it Apple Catch. And then press catch. I think that's how you spell it. I'm bad. Okay, so first we're going to select a sprite, and the sprite will be a ball, an apple and a ball. You can choose whatever one first. No, it's actually an apple, not a ball. First, an apple. Okay, wasn't a one. Okay, we're here. And then now we choose another sprite, and then we're gonna make a bowl. Okay. Okay, so now that we have our two sprites, I think you either make the bowl size bigger, or you either make the apple smaller. For now, I'm gonna make the apple smaller. 75, set it to 75. You can do whatever, and then make this a little bit bigger, like 110. That looks good. Then now we're gonna go to backdrops. Choose a backdrop. Choose whatever backdrop you want to, but I'll choose blue sky. Okay. So now that we have our backdrop here, just set the bowl right here, right about here. Then we need to go to the go to X and Y. So the X actually should be 0, because 0 is always in the middle. So it's 0. Now if you put Y to 0, it'll end up in the middle, in the middle over here. But for now, I'll just put it there. Now we go to events, and we go to when green flag clicked. So now every time when, let's say we go like that, it always puts it there when you press the green flag. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the part of the code. So we go, okay, so we duplicate this. Then we take away that. Then we go to, oh my bad, go to if then, and then chain, and then go to sensing, and then go to keys pressed. You're gonna press here and press the right. Now after you do this, go to the change X, not Y. They make a very big difference. So Y goes up, X turns right or left. Okay, so we're gonna change it by 10. I think that's fine. Now we duplicate it, and then we put it down somewhere else, and we go to the left arrow, and now for the left arrow we do -10. And if you do 10, it's gonna have an error and it's not gonna move because it's right and left, so they're gonna get confused. Now let's see this. Should work for you. I'm gonna make it a little slower. Let's say about 7. You can choose whatever you want. I'll choose 7. -7. That looks pretty good. So for now, okay. So now we go to the apple. Now we go to when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, forever. If then, touching bool, then if then touching bool, then we need to go to go to X, Y. So the Y is like over about here. Take away that, go to X, Y. Now from here, that's to the X is that much. Okay, so now we need to go to if then touching bool. We'll go to the Y is okay. Do this only for the X, okay, not for the Y. If then touching bool, pick a random minus 220 and then 220. 220. Now let's see this. Oh, we forgot something. Okay, when group up click forever. Okay, we also need to duplicate this, but now this time it's forever and not the if then. So now and then we go to change y by minus 10, not 10, minus 10. Now let's see if this works. Whoa. Something's wrong. Oh, okay. We're supposed to take it away from the forever. Now this should work. See? Yeah. It's working, but I think minus 10 is very fast. The bool doesn't have a chance. So we're going to do, let's say, minus 5. Let's see this. Okay, that looks good. But now we need a variable. Go to variable and make it called score. Score. Okay, and press OK. Make sure it's for all sprites, and then you're gonna right click on the my variable and delete it. We're not gonna need that. So what we do is when green file, click set score to 0. Set, not change. And then we're gonna go to change, if then touching bool, change score by 1. So now let's see, is it touching the bool? Yeah, it's working. Okay, now basically what we can do, normal, large readout, normal or large readout, or a slider. So I'm gonna do a large readout that doesn't show the score. So now it looks like this. So that looks pretty good. See, yeah, the score is now working. So now we need to go to add more when like more apples come down each second or something. So we go to looks, I think. Then we go to actually what we can do is this. Press on apple 2. And for more of a challenge, let's make a golden apple first. Press on the here. And then the fill should be yellow. That's like golden apple. You choose whatever color it is, but make sure that's yellow. Okay, the gold apple should look like this. But I'm gonna, it's kind of weird. I'm gonna try to get a circle. It's black. You don't need to, but oh no, we only need outline actually. So we do that. We press this button here. But on the outline, we make it black, and then okay, so we go to select since we don't need these. Go to delete, and then this other one delete. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not good. The circle. Maybe that. Then maybe we press this. We press this. We go to this. That. We press on here. We press. We make this a little shorter. Then press on this. This, we actually make it bigger like that. This, we press on a dot over here since and then we don't make the outline one. Let's make it like a little bit less, like 4. Yeah, 4 looks good. You do whatever you want. Work on that, but so there's gonna be a different code for this. So we're gonna change score. This for this golden apple, we're gonna change score by 3. I'm gonna do 2 actually, but then I'm gonna change the y also by -7. Let's see this. See, golden apple gives us 2, and it runs faster. That's better. But now we so far the game looks good, but we also need to, so it doesn't come always like automatically. When green flag clicked, we're gonna hide. Then we're gonna do wait. 3 seconds. And we're gonna put a forever bar, I think. Wait 3 seconds, and then we go to looks again, but this time it's show, not hide. Now let's see this. Let's wait 3 seconds. Is it here? Okay, I think it's the forever bar. Just that here. I think we also need, I think it's a repeat. Repeat, and then we're gonna actually do pick a random 1 through, you can choose any, it doesn't matter. Repeat, pick a random, I'll say 30. Okay, now look, let's see. What? Oh, also, yeah, we have another error. See, if it touches the ground, it doesn't come back up. So that's a slight error. So what we need to do is, so let's see. If then touching this, so what is it at? Okay, this. Okay. So we need to go to the if then. Touching. Wait a minute. This is very difficult. We need to do if then. So if then touching. I know it's a forever. Touching, maybe. Touching the X and Y position. Wait, I think it's go to. Okay, you guys can skip until I get it right. I'm gonna think it's go to. I think it actually might be this. Okay, oh, I know this. Touching In operators, no, we go to X.
¿Y todavía está ahí?
I think we need a Y position, X position. We go to this. We do this plus, touching. So if then
Muchacho rastrero.
then touching. Okay, so first of all, I think we're gonna need 3 pluses. If then touching Y position, X position. That's not what we want. There. Y position in X. Around. And then we do X. This may not work. If then touching then go to okay. Okay, we just duplicate this X and then take this away. Then we do this and then we take away this. Touching if then X position. X position. X. Okay, this is very complicated. Actually, I'll make a part 2 on this, the error. I hope you enjoyed the first video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry.